morning, friends. My name is Latika, studying first class. Today I am telling about Varnamala. A, I, E, U, E, I, O, aha, ka, ga, na, cha, ja, ini, ta, da, ana, ta, da, ana, pa, ba, ma, ya, ra, la, va, she, sa, ha, la, sha, bandi.